Hello children, good morning. Today I'm going to tell you about a happy festival called Pongal. Pongal is celebrated in Tamil Nadu in South India. It is a harvest festival. It is a festival to say thank you. Now children, sit nicely and listen. The first day of Pongal is called Bhogi Pongal. On this day, families wake up early. They clean their houses very well. Old and broken things are removed from the house. Homes look neat and fresh. Outside the house, a small fire is lit. People smile and feel happy. Bhogi Pongal teaches us a lesson. We should leave old habits and start fresh. Clean place, happy mind. Now children, the second day is very special. It is called Thai Pongal. A clay pot is kept outside under the bright sunlight. Milk is poured into the pot. Everyone watches quietly. Slowly, the milk begins to boil. The milk rises and flows over the pot. Rice, milk, and jaggery are cooked together. This sweet food is called Pongal. People thank the sun, the rain, and the soil. We should always be thankful to nature. Children, the third day is called Mattu Pongal. On this day, cows are celebrated. Cows are washed clean. They are decorated with flowers and bells. Farmers thank the cows for helping in farming. Children feed the cows with love. The last day is called Kaanum Pongal. Families go out together. They visit parks and rivers. They eat food and enjoy together. Children fly kites in the sky. The sky looks colorful and bright. Kaanum Pongal teaches us to spend time with family. Family time is very special. Children, Pongal is not just a festival. It teaches us to say thank you, love nature, be kind to animals, share happiness, and stay together. These are very good habits. Children, remember these lessons. Smile more, share more, be kind every day.
Children, hopes you enjoyed the story. See you again, children. Bye-bye.